Hi, I'm Albin. My pronouns are he, him, his. A little about me: I'm from Pittsburgh. I grew up right here in Squirrel Hill, and now I'm pursuing my PhD here at CMU in the Civil and Environmental Engineering Department, more specifically within the Environmental Engineering, Sustainability and Science Research Focus Group. And I'm working with Dr. David Rounce, who's a professor in the department as well. My project is called Leveraging Remote Sensing Data with In Situ Measurements for Enhanced Understanding of Alaskan Glaciers' Response to Climate Change. And what this means is that we want to use field measurements as ground truth for these large-scale systematic remote sensing and modeled data products. These are the global and regional data sets. And so the idea is that by leveraging the synergies between in situ, remote sensing, and modeled data, we can start to filter through noise, address biases, reduce uncertainties, and really overcome a lot of the shortcomings that might be associated with any one of those data sets alone. So this is really important because it will enable us to start to parse the signals of glacier mass loss as a result of the climate instead of glacier dynamics. And when we start to look at this within the context of various climatic factors or glacier features, we can then start to determine what's actually driving present-day glacier mass loss. So ultimately, this will improve our ability to model and project future mass loss, which has ubiquitous implications ranging from water resources to natural hazards to sea level rise. What led me to this project was really grounded in two primary things. One being that I've always been motivated by kind of big picture issues and a broader perspective within my research. So doing this regional analysis of what's actually driving mass loss in Alaska kind of ticks that box for me. And the second thing is that coming into my PhD, I really wanted to step outside of my comfort zone, both literally and figuratively. So I really wanted to do something with a field work element. So my desire to really experience my research on the ground while maintaining an approach that extends beyond just one case study or one location is really what drove me to this project and what this project is. So ultimately with this project, the impact I would like it to have is that if we're able to actually enhance a process-based understanding of how glaciers are responding to the climate and really determine those drivers of change in a quantitative way, we'll then be able to improve future projections such that those communities or ecosystems that might be most adversely affected by glacier mass loss and the cascading effects as a result of it are best equipped to handle that. What I'm most excited about this project, it's hard to pin one down because there are a lot, but for me, kind of the no-brainer would be the actual field work and the field element of this research. So actually going to glaciers in Alaska and experiencing them on foot is a really exciting opportunity. But not only that, so that's obviously the deployment of our field instruments, but also developing novel field measurement techniques and ways to measure glaciers with collaborations at CMU and abroad is a really fun and exciting thing as well.